Everyone wants massive change, a new life, a better body, more money, more peace. But most people fail because they want transformation overnight. Here's the truth. Real change doesn't happen in explosions. It happens in whispers. It's not about doing everything at once. It's about doing one thing, just 1% better every day. That's the 1% rule. And it's the most powerful secret you'll ever learn. Because 1% doesn't look like much today, you won't see the progress. You'll still feel stuck. You'll still doubt yourself. But give it time, and that small 1% becomes unstoppable. If you improve just 1% a day, in 1 year, you'll be 37 times better. Not a little better. 37 times. That's the math of momentum. Tiny changes that look invisible today become undeniable tomorrow. Think of it like this. No one wakes up strong. They just show up every day and lift one more rep. No one wakes up successful. They just show up every day, make one more call, take one more risk. And no one wakes up happy. They just choose one better thought, one better habit, one better action, again and again. The 1% rule doesn't care about motivation. It doesn't care how you feel. It only needs one thing: consistency. Because success isn't built in a day. It's built in the small moments no one sees. When you read one more page instead of scrolling. When you take one more walk instead of giving up. When you speak kindly to yourself instead of tearing yourself down. That's 1%. And that's everything. But here's the part most people miss. The 1% rule works both ways. Every time you skip the gym, scroll a little longer, procrastinate one more task, you also get 1% worse. Tiny choices compound. One direction leads to growth, the other to regret. And the scary part? You won't notice the difference until it's too late. So the question isn't whether change is possible. It's which 1% you're choosing every day. One makes your future brighter. The other makes it disappear slowly. So start small. Start now. Drink the water. Read the page. Take the walk. Say the kind word. Because when you stack those tiny wins, they become unstoppable momentum. The 1% rule won't change your life overnight. But one day, you'll wake up, look back, and realize you've become the person you always wanted to be. Not because of one giant leap, but because of 1,000 small steps. That's the 1% rule. Quiet, simple, uncomfortable, but it will change everything.